In this video, we will discuss creating tuples. Creating a tuple is similar to creating a list. Python tuples are sequences that are used to store a tuple of values of any type. We need to put a number of expressions in parentheses, and the parentheses should be round brackets. Here are some examples of tuple. Tuples without any value is an empty tuple. Tuple can be of any data type. If the data are integer, it is a tuple of integer. Use round brackets to indicate the start and end of a tuple. T is equal to opening and closing round bracket, and T is equal to value 1, value 2 is known as tuple display construct. To create an empty tuple, you can simply write the name of the tuple is equal to tuple and opening and closing parenthesis. There are two ways to create a single element tuple. Either you can write name of the tuple is equal to value, or you can write name of the tuple is equal to within round brackets value, If we will put simply a is equal to within round brackets 30, then 30 will be treated as an integer value, not a tuple. In this example, a is equal to 30, and a is equal to within bracket 30, will create a single element tuple. To create a long tuple, we have to simply enter the values across several lines as given in the example, and we should remember that the opening and closing parentheses appear just in the beginning and end of the tuple. Tuples are immutable sequence of Python. We cannot change elements of a tuple in place. Python will create a new fresh tuple when you make some changes to an element of a tuple. If a tuple contains an element which is a tuple itself, then it is called as a nested tuple. Here in the given example, 90, 45, which is a tuple itself and is an element of tuple T. Tuples are formed by placing a comma separated tuple of expression in parentheses. We can create tuple from sequence also. Sequence may be list or a string or a tuple itself. In the given example, L is equal to within square bracket 23, 45, 67 and 90. T is equal to tuple L will make the list to a tuple. We can make a tuple from a string also. T is equal to tuple hello will print HELLO. Each alphabets will be the elements of the tuple. We can also make a tuple from a tuple itself. T is equal to tuple T will convert a tuple to tuple. Actually, tuple method is a constructed method that can be used to create tuples from different types of values or sequence. Now we'll see practically how to create a tuple. To create an empty tuple, as you can see, T is equal to opening and closing parentheses will create a tuple, or you can create a tuple by writing T is equal to tuple opening and closing parentheses will create an empty tuple. Making a tuple with a single element is bit tricky, because if you just give a single element in round parentheses, then it will treat it as a value only, not a tuple. There are two ways to create a single element tuple. You can write name of the tuple is equal to within round brackets value 1 comma, or you can write simply value comma. In the first example, opening parenthesis 23 comma and closing parenthesis, it will create a single element tuple with value 23. In second example, t is equal to 45 comma will create a single element tuple with element 45, but t is equal to within bracket 90 will return only 90 because the compiler would treat it as a single integer value. To create a long tuple with many elements, we simply have to write all elements, split it across several lines, and the opening and closing parentheses will appear just in the beginning and end of the tuple. If a tuple contains an element which is a tuple itself, then it is called as nested tuple. Here 90 and 231 is a tuple itself, and it is an element of tuple T. Can also create tuples from existing sequences, and sequence may be a list, a string, or a tuple. We are creating a tuple from a list, and list contains string values J, Amit, and Tushar. T is equal to tuple L will convert the list to a tuple. As you can see, it is in the round brackets. We can create a tuple from a string also. For that, we have to write name of the tuple is equal to tuple within bracket the string. Here S is equal to hello, and tuple S will create a tuple with elements of hello, that is HELLO. Each alphabet of string will be the elements of tuple. We can create a tuple from tuple itself. For that, we simply have to write the name of the tuple is equal to tuple and within bracket the tuple. T is equal to 23, 45, 67 and 89. T1 is equal to tuple T will create a tuple with elements same as T. Hope this video is useful to you. We'll come with some new interesting video next time. Thanks for watching the video.